Let's not leave anyone behind. Good morning, dear friends and colleagues, and welcome back to Sharjah, the cultural bridge between East and West. There is power in the unity of vision, just as there is power in the unity of action. My message to everybody in the publishing community is, let's learn from our past mistakes, and let's not move at different speeds when it comes to sustainability. Instead, let's work together as a team, globally, to create sustainable solutions together, so we can move forward together.